Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today again I'm going to do the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. First of all, let's take a look at the news we are having. And we are having a high impact news at 7 p.m. 6 p.m. 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around these times since this could be a high spread and high volatile timing. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly chart, and we had reacted from this zone and couldn't break below all these equal lows and moved into the upside direction. Currently, we are into a sideways zone. So what we can do directly here is we have taken the sweep of the previous monthly high. So I'm expecting the market to move into the smaller time frame into the downward direction. So now let's move to the weeklies. Now this is the weekly chart, and what do we have here is the price had swept the high of the monthly over here, and then we swept the high of the previous week at this zone. So I had anticipated yesterday, the price moved into the downward direction, taking the low of the previous week, making this FVG valid. So if we are going to respond into the upside direction, most likely this will be the area from where we can possibly react into the upside direction. Else, we are going to violate all these moves and take this low. So for now, what do we have is we are going to find a POI from where the price can possibly react into the smaller time frames. So for that, let's move to the dailies. Now this is the daily chart, and this is how perfectly it played. So this is how we had anticipated, and what do we have is we are having this unmitigated wick, having this FVG just above it. So I'm anticipating the price to, if we are going to go and react from this zone, most likely we are going to move into the upside direction, mitigate something over here, and then possibly we are going to see an other side reaction into the market. So let's move to the 4 hours for a detailed picture. So the 4 hours is having this refining of this POI. So most likely this will be the flip zone from where the price had moved into the upside direction. So let's move to the 1 hours for a detailed picture. So even into the 1 hour, there is nothing more. Rather, we are having a clumsy price action over here. So let's move to the 30 minutes to decide our bias for today. So this is the Asia session, and I'm anticipating the price to move into this range and show a slowdown and then move into the upside direction, taking all these liquidities accumulated above it. I'll be just marking it like this. So I'll be anticipating the price to at least take these liquidity and then move into the either side direction. So this is the 15-minute chart, and I'm expecting the price to slow down, show a reaction, sweep the Asia low, and then we are going to move into the upside direction, taking these equal highs or the trend line liquidities. So this is pretty much it. Now let's move to the next round, that is questions round. And what do we have in our question today is, what does the term diversification mean in trading? The first option is investing all your money in a single asset to maximize returns. The second option is spreading your investment across different assets to reduce risk. The third option is selling assets quickly to avoid losses. So write your answer in the comment and be as much detailed as you can, and I'll be liking and pinning the comment whose comment will be the right answer. So write into the comment, and thank you for watching.